Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math algebra problem, and here we have square root of x times of x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 plus 1, and we find the square root of this term. So the very first thing we are going to do is here first I will just take this term equals to, in this way we take the term inside the square root equals to y, and we write it as x times of x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus 1. So because we find the square root of this term, so it means that we will find the square root of y. So now our claim is to find the square root of y. So in the next step, here you see that we have multiplied here some factors. So now first we rearrange the factors in this way. When you add these terms, then you get the same answer. When you add the term which is subtracted by x, so the two factors, when you add the terms in two factors, then you get the same answer. So it means that when you add minus 1 and minus 2, it will be equals to minus 3, and here you assume that the factor x will be in this way, x minus 0. So when you add minus 0 and minus 3, then you get minus 3. So it means that we rearrange the factors in this way. We multiply this x by x minus 3 and x minus 1 by x minus 2, so that we rewrite the above equation as x times of x minus 3 into x minus 1 times of x minus 2, and this is the our plus 1. So now in the next step we will multiply the first two factors and the last two factors. So here we multiply these factors and we get its output in this way. So when you multiply these two factors, then you get here x square minus 3x, and when we multiply these two factors, then you get here x square minus 2x minus x and plus 2, and this is the our term which is plus 1. So here we first simplify the terms and you get x square minus 3x into here we add the like terms and we have x square minus 3x plus 2, and this is the our plus 1. So now you focus on the terms and you see that we have x minus x square minus 3x be the common term on these two factors, so that we will take here this term equals to z. So our z equals to x square minus 3x, so that our y will becomes here z times of z plus 2, and this is the our plus 1. So now we again rearrange the terms and we multiply the z on both of the terms, and you get here z square plus 2 times of z plus 1. So now we make the factors of this equation and we move towards our final answer, so that the factors of this equation are z square. We break the middle term, so our middle term is 2 times of z, and we write it as z plus 1. And now we make the factors of this equation, so that we take common z on the first two terms, and we get its output in this way. So we have z times of z plus 1, and here we take common plus 1 and we obtain z plus 1. So now we focus on both of the terms and you see that we have z plus 1 with a common factor, so we take common here, and here you take common z plus 1 and we get this z, and here we take common z plus 1 and we get plus 1. So when you multiply the z plus 1 by z plus 1, then we obtain here z plus 1 and its whole square. So now we find the value of y equals to z plus 1 and its whole square. But in this question our claim is to find the square root of y. So that now we write this value of y here, because we have y equals to z plus 1 whole square. In order to find the square root of y, we need to take the square root on both of the sides of this expression. So in the right hand side you see that these two and square root are cancelled by each other, and we get plus minus of z plus 1. And now you see that we take z equals to x square minus 3x. So now we back substitute the value of z and we obtain the two factors. So we write this value here. So you have y square root equals to plus minus z plus 1. So the value of z is x square minus 3x. So we put here x square minus 3x, and this is the our plus 1. So it means that our final answer will be written as x square minus 3x plus 1. So this is the our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.